Okay guys, it's me again. If you already watched my videos about how to do the mirrors in your bathrooms, today I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to do the counters in your bathrooms. Now remember, this counter is a regular counter as a porcelain. It's not a real stone. And we don't want to damage anything, but we're going to use just a sponge so it's not scratching anything on the counter, neither on the faucets. Because if you scratch the faucets, it's nothing that we can do to remove those scratches from it. The counter is very close to the wall. Try not to get very close to the wall because you don't want to damage the paint. So you just try to start a little bit, like a 1 inch away from the wall. And don't forget to do the bottom of where the mirror is. And start doing that with soap and water. And our amazing tool, the squeegee. Just pull all the soap and water with dirt. So then you dry. And after you dry everything, then we're gonna wax the counters. Remember, you can order this wax from us, and we give you a very good price for it. But don't spray again. Don't never spray this way because it splashes everything. Spray on your rag. And then you're just gonna wax it. Now, if you've never seen our videos before, remember the wax is to protect the dirt, protect the counters. So it's gonna make it easier for anybody to clean this bathroom counter again. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and if you have any comments about what would you like me to show you how to clean, I will be more than happy to do that.